Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by verifying the wallpaper file and your display settings. You want an image at or above your screen's native resolution so pixels align, otherwise Windows or your OS will stretch and blur it. Next, make sure the image is high quality, PNG, or a high quality JPG with low compression. Then open display settings and check scaling and DPI. If scaling is unusual, change it to a standard value, because scaling is a common cause of soft wallpapers. Now configure how the OS places the image. Select Fill or Fit to preserve aspect ratio. Fill crops but keeps sharpness, while Fit adds borders but avoids stretching. Avoid the stretch mode. It interpolates pixels and creates blur. Use the system's wallpaper picker to apply the image, because third-party tools sometimes resample and degrade quality. Also check for any automatic optimization or compression features and turn them off. These run in the background and silently reduce resolution and sharpness. Finish by aligning pixels and drivers. If you can, match the image's PPI to the display PPI so one image pixel maps cleanly to display pixels. This reduces interpolation. Update your GPU drivers and use a high bandwidth cable like DisplayPort or HDMI, because poor drivers or adapters can force low resolution output. If the wallpaper still looks soft, set it using another viewer or reset scaling back to 100%. One key tip: when nothing fixes it, test with a known high-res image to isolate OS versus file issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.